And that is a wrap for Operation White Noise.
Share your thoughts.
Yay!
Our thoughts?
Done.
Well, it was a 4-day shoot over 2 weekends. Last night we went really long, but there was a lot of memories in this shoot with a lot of people we love. And I now present to you the birthday cake. Praise the Lord. Praise the Lord. We gotta sanctify the cake. Praise the Lord. Blow a candle out. I was the one that went to the store and got Praise the Lord.
Charles, we gotta relight the candle now.
Thank you so much.
Charles, come on, praise the Lord.
I'm gonna cry.
Praise the Lord. Cry.
Harry.
Yep. It might come true.
And action.
Good.
Quick, Arrow's gonna melt.